This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by launching Google Earth Pro or the web client and signing in. Once done, search for the place you need and zoom in until features are clear. This improves available archival options. Then enable the historical imagery or time slider control so you can access dated layers. Make sure the layer panel shows imagery dates. If not, switch to high detail imagery and permit loading of older tiles. These are the first concrete actions to reveal archived photos for retrieval. Once the time slider is visible, drag it slowly to scan through available dates and watch the thumbnails populate. You'll see how imagery changes over time. As you do this, adjust eye altitude and tilt to match earlier capture geometry because older images often differ in angle. Make sure to increase resolution and wait for tiles to finish loading. When the desired frame appears, use Save Image or Record Movie to export. For frame-perfect captures, pause, then save at the highest resolution available. To finish, export the best visible frames using Save Image at maximum size or render a movie for time-lapse. You can also export KML to preserve geolocation and then stitch tiles with image software if needed. If you require larger archival datasets, consider Google Earth Engine for programmatic access. If something goes wrong, like missing dates or cloudy shots, clear the cache, try adjacent dates, or switch clients. These steps usually restore older tiles or reveal alternate imagery that solves the problem.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.